Hey, hi guys. I'm going to do a different type of video today. So I'll tell you now what happened. Okay. So I was in a position uh, earlier in the month. Okay, that is called as Surya Roshni. So I entered my position here on uh, this day here. Okay. So this was a breakout. So I entered here on this day. Uh, So I actually was in this trade starting from here till uh, here on this day on this red candle. Okay, that is around 10th of November. Okay, so from 23rd October to 10th of November. So 18 days I was in the trade. I got roughly around 22% in this. Actually, in on the chart it is showing 25%, but when I did the actual tallies in the account, right, I got something around 23% here. So what I did is that I was expecting a consolidation in this stock. So the consolidation actually came in. So here between this period to this period, right, this was a consolidation. So this starting this till here, right, that is 22 days consolidation. It came, and then the stock rallied again, and today closed at 338, roughly 338, which is additional 32%. Okay, in 28 days in totality. So from where I left the trade to where actually the price is today, the total is around 28 or 29 days, and roughly around 30% up. So what I did was, when I exited this position around on 10th November, right, I entered into another position, which is here Alkali Amines. Okay, so I on the same day I entered that position. So I think on this day I entered. Yeah, this day 10th. Okay, and I exited it here. Okay, this is because my stop was hit. Okay, trailing stop, this is my trailing stop that was hit, so I exited here. So if I go and take the measurement, right, from 10th till here, so again 27 28 days, and what I got is around 17%. So see, this is what happens, like when we think that we cannot leave the consolidation, right, uh, you will effectively stand to lose. Actually, none of these trades are actually wrong. Okay, the both the trades which I took was perfectly fine. But if you really think, right, was it right for me to close my position uh, in Surya Roshni, despite it not hitting my trailing stop loss, right? So I should have stayed here. So none of my trailing stop loss was hit. Okay. So if I really show you very clearly, right, my primary trailing stop loss. So it was not hit even a single day. There is no close between here to here. So if I would have stayed from this position in this position till here, I could have easily got 62%. But effectively, what I got was initially 20% and then 17%. So totally uh, 37%. So this is what happens if we don't allow market to consolidate and really, you know, take that price up. So if you really see, right, between these days to these days, right, uh, all 27 days, right, out of 27 days, 22 days market was consolidating, and rally only came for 5 days. So within 5 days, the it's up 32%, 33%. But if you really look at what I did and how I lost, so I can tell you such thing happen every day, and that's where discipline come into the picture. So that's why it's so important that we stay with the trade as long as our trailing stop loss is not hit. So what is more essential, right? Whatever trailing stop loss you have, right, it should be thoroughly tested. So this is one trailing stop loss which is actually thoroughly tested, trusted, and it will not get hit very easily unless and until there is a change into the trend. So there are couple of other trailing stop loss also that I use. So this is another trailing stop loss which is also not hit in this, was never hit, and this is a very sharp one. So this got hit actually here, uh, but this is too sharp. So too sharp or sharp trailing stop loss is of again no use. And if you look at the moving averages, right, price was in that moving average band. So actually the ideal place to leave a trade is at the upper end of the trailing stop loss, right? Now this stock has is actually broken that upper end of the uh, channel, so something like this. So we should expect another consolidation and let the lower moving average come here, and then uh, uh, so price will go like this, and it will allow the lower moving average to come, and when it comes here, both will start rising. So that's why it's so important to be disciplined in the trading, and there is no need to do too much of action. And if we really try to hurry, right, effectively we try to lose, because there is all incremental momentum, right, is always higher compared to the fresh momentum. So toward the end of the rally, the stocks tend to actually rally faster with higher volume, and uh, the rally which at the beginning, right, is little usually slow. And if we don't factor in that into our trading system, right, the kind of a blunder I did, right, will keep on happening. But I think my blunder was largely due to the breaking of the rules rather than my system being inaccurate. So my system was is actually perfect in terms of its trailing stop loss. So this is what I wanted to show you today. So different topic, but very interesting. Thank you.